Hi everyone, I'm glad you've come to Cook with Victoria. Today I'll be sharing with you a simple recipe, and once you get it, you're going to be doing your chicken that way. It's a fast and quick way of making your chicken. It's going to be soft, succulent, crispy on the outside. Just come along with me and let's do this together. For our easy way of cooking chicken, I'll be using some drumstick. I've already washed them and put them inside the pot. I'll be adding paprika, some paprika to it, ginger powder, some chicken powder, ginger, fennel seed. So you can use thyme, rosemary, or any herb of your choice. Then I'll be adding water, some water to it. This our chicken is going to be very juicy, and some salt. Spare. The measurement of everything I'm using will be in the description box, so check them out. Now I'll switch on the stove, cover it and allow it to boil for about 7 minutes. While we are waiting for our chicken is cooking, I'll be pouring in some flour in a clean bowl, some breadcrumbs, ginger powder, chili powder, paprika powder, and some salt. Mix them together. The next thing we do now is prepare our egg mixture. I'm going to be using 2 eggs. Break into a clean bowl. Now we're adding some yogurt and some milk, just little milk. Then I'll whisk everything together. This will allow the breadcrumbs, the flour mixture to get on the chicken very well. Now let's check our chicken. It's ready to be taken off the stove. You see, so juicy. So now what I'll be doing is pick one, put it inside the egg mixture, coat it very well, and put it inside the flour mixture. Look at our coated chicken. Now it's time for me to fry. I'll just put them one by one inside the oil. The oil is hot. Allow your oil to be hot before you put them, even they are going to be very soggy. And at the same time, not too hot. On a medium heat. Because this will allow you to cook until this is golden brown. After today, this is how you be doing your chicken. It's very fast to make, and at the same time very succulent, very juicy. Look at our chicken. Let me have one. So soft. So super yummy, succulent, soft, tasty. You've got to try it. When it comes to cooking, it's good for you to explore. and as you explore, you will discover, and as you discover, you will enjoy. Today we have discovered a faster way of cooking our chicken. We don't have to wait all hours in the kitchen. Just put it on the stove, it's done, fry, and off you go. If you have not liked this video, please do give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe by pressing on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell, as this will allow you to be notified each time I upload new video. Till next time, bye.